Hey, welcome back. This is page 52 of Preparing for Algebra, Chapter 2. This is the beginning of orders of operations. And as you can see on page 52, we have a mnemonic PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. And that's the order of the operations that we will take on for the rest of algebra. So, for example, in the example, we have in parentheses 3 plus 2. So we're going to do those first, and that's why they're highlighted. And then the second bit is going to be 4 squared, exponents. And then the next is going to be 5 times 5, multiplication, 25 plus 16, addition, and 41 minus 8, subtraction. So go ahead and do the following problems, and we'll see you on the next page. Page 53, Preparing for Algebra, still orders of operation. We need more experience with this, as well as we're going to get it to be more complicated with exponents and things like this. So remember PEMDAS, right? A good way to remember it. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And we're going to go ahead and solve these. So division, right, is a higher category than the subtraction on the first problem. So we're going to go ahead and do parentheses first, which includes the division, and then subtract 2. The bubble here says, unfortunately, you have to memorize the orders of operation. Saying PEMDAS 5 times in a row will help you remember this. Another great way to remember is practice, practice, and more practice. And here's your challenge problem at the bottom. I'm going to leave you with that, and we'll go on to 54 when you are ready. 54, and we've got more practice for orders of operations. Again, parentheses first, and then on to exponents. These questions at the bottom are halfway down, true or false, why, that this will equal 3, this problem. So you need to work it out and come up with an answer, and then tell us why this is true, the answer here is 3, or why it's not. Practice is the best way to memorize all of this, so good luck with that. Again, answers are in the back of the book, all the answers. All right, so we'll go on to page 55 as soon as you're done with this.